and save a lot of money.
You will be blown away by this experience.
The pros come here, I come here.
If you love your walls and you love your home, you get, you know, the big green statue in New York Harbor. Word on the street is that New York style people.
Hi. So I was just saying about Aaron. Like Aaron went.
Over 50, a non-invasive colon cancer screening test that can be used at home. By prescription alone. Information at cologuardtest.com.
Idiots. Dude, god damn it.
Love that chicken from Popeyes. Come on, man.
Miles, turn left.
People don't know the difference. Now, we gotta talk about this Chris Brown story. Y'all up on this Chris Brown story? Y'all missed it yesterday on Rolling Stone. Put out a story that a woman got raped in Chris Brown's house by two of his friends, and she's coming after him. Yeah, I was gonna say
Like, okay, if she honestly just was okay and kept cool.
Holy Jesus!
The owls crashed.
You got it right. Look at it. Look at this. Record it, record it. Record it. Hey. Crazy. Why didn't you just record it? You should have got the whole thing. Here. Here. Record it. What are you scared of?
How dare you throw something in my fucking car? Udo! Did you see him throw something in my car?
Ma'am, you just calm down.
Hell no!
Just pulled over and
He
calm.
threw something in my car
All
for
right.
no damn reason.
All right. You just need to calm down, ma'am.
I'm taking my dog to the vet,
All right.
and he threw something in my car.
Record.
I bet Mom will forget about, like, I bet Mom will get over it real fast. I'm pretty sure Mom will get over it.
Okay, yeah, the address is 7975. Yeah, yes, ma'am. Hold on a second.
What's going on?
Oh, did you see how crazy she was acting?
Well, I got it on camera. I didn't see everything, but I got it on camera.
Okay, yes, ma'am.
I answered in Spanish. ¿Eh? Esa es Carlita. Ese de hecho es el novio de Carlos. This is Spanish. You know what I mean? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.